year 2113, the world is a different place. Robots have rights, aliens share our world, and Tottenham are good at football. Liberal Judaism has gone from strength to strength, yet all is not well. Liberal Judaism, which prided itself on inclusion, has forgotten the principles for which it fought in the previous century.
Get Robo Steve to commence the teleportation.
Steve! Robo! Get over here!
Yes?
Get it working!
Alright. Here we go. Teleportation activated. Teleportation complete.
Are you going to watch a service today?
No, I'm going to see it on the hologram screen. A normal Saturday morning service.
Hey guys, you know what I want to be? A rabbi.
Robots can't be rabbis. That's ridiculous.
I'll show you.
Robot Steve has returned to the synagogue.
Hey, guess what guys? I'm a rabbi.
Rabbi!